Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to look at Ulta Beauty today. And the reason is because this is starting to be a thing of beauty. We actually have an option trade going on right now, and we're down a bit on this because the stock broke out above 245, but I'll be rolling that. And if you're an Option Market Mentor member, you just watch tonight's video. I'll explain what I'm doing. We'll be rolling that out and up and taking more of a bullish position on this because the way I see this stock trading, it's very close to breaking out above, this late August disaster here on August 30, where the company reported earnings and they weren't that great. So it's been languishing down here for quite a while, and I think fortune is just about to shine on new bulls. Now, if you bought this and you've been hanging on to it, that's fine. You're starting to get paid off now. But I really think for you bottom feeders, the ones who really like these types of trades, what you want to do is look back here at the high of 254.50, and I would say this, set an alert at 255, and I'll just set one on my personal software here. Set an alert at 255. I'll just leave it on for a week, and I don't even think it's going to take that long. And if the stock starts breaking out above 255, then you're going to start seeing it filling this gap. I have no idea, nobody else does, how high this will run, but this was a heck of a gap from down here, about almost 25%. So even if the stock fills half of that, even if the stock fills a quarter of that gap, that's going to be a pretty good run. So wait to buy the stock above 250. And then if, and I meant 255, not 250. Although, look, 250 is fine too. But if you wait to buy the stock above 255, then it's into the gap. It's kind of like it's broken through. Now it's free running into the gap. And there's been so much time that's passed that I think, you think about it, all the regret, all the pain from bulls that bought up here, gradually a lot of those shares have been sold. So a lot of this overhead supply has dissipated throughout the last few weeks because gradually people are selling. They're going like crap. I bought it at 330. I was hoping for a big run higher. It's not. I'm sitting here watching it at 230. It's been sitting around there for weeks. I got to get rid of this stock. I'm tired of feeling bad. And so when that kind of supply gets soaked up, then how much overhead supply is there left? Not that much. Remember, the nearer in time a price level is, the more relevant it is to the current price level. So, it's the magic of the x-axis. What you want to see is you want to see all of this price action way back there. And then as the stock runs higher, it stretches further and further along the x-axis to where any overhead supply can't really even be seen because it's kind of out of the picture. I'm not talking about just doing it this way. I'm saying just take this stuff back 2, 3, 4 months, and then you have to assume that same hard level of resistance that was there before is not there now. So that's really what I'm looking for here. Once the stock breaks through 255, I think you can get a really nice trade out of this to the long side. So, and by the way, I'm teaching a class this coming Saturday. It's free for members. We've sold this course for over a decade, and I've actually revamped it. So this is going to be a brand new course. It's technical analysis for non-technicians, but it's brand new, and I'm teaching it live. I went and looked at the stuff that I had done before, and I thought, I've learned a lot over these past, 5 years or so, and I really want to up this course so I can give you all of the things that I've learned. And so in order to do that, I really just kind of needed to redo the entire thing. So if you have taken that course before and you're thinking, well, it was fine, but I don't care about it, you really should, because it's different and it's a hell of a lot better, to be quite honest with you. And then the following week, I'm teaching the follow-up course to that called Turning Patterns into Profits. And it literally will be turning patterns into profits with checklists, with things that you have to do in order to make money on certain patterns. So you really want to get in there on these next couple weeks. I highly recommend it. And yeah, am I blowing my own horn? You're damn right I am. I'm working my butt off for you, trying to get you the best material that I possibly can. And so I just want you to take advantage of it. And you won't know how good it is or how well it helps you, how much it can help you if you don't check it out. And it's free, okay? I'm not going to pay you to take it, and that's the only better deal that you'll ever get, okay? All right, so hope to see you there.